Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a forward focus window switch. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Start by gently prying up the trim panel that surrounds the window switch. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the panel is loose, you can access the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect this connector from the switch assembly to fully free the panel. With the trim panel removed, you'll now see how the window switch unit is secured. Look for small retaining clips or screws that hold it in position. If there are screws, use the appropriate screwdriver to loosen and remove them. For clips, a gentle push or pry with your trim tool should release them. Once freed, carefully lift the entire switch unit straight out of its housing, being mindful of any remaining wires. After removing the switch, take a moment to inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion. This is a good opportunity to clean the area around where the switch sits, removing any dust or debris. When you're ready to install a new switch, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all electrical connections are secure and that the trim panel snaps back into place firmly for a proper fit. To reassemble, carefully align your new window switch with its housing and gently press it into place until it clicks. Reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it's fully seated and secure. Then, snap the trim panel back into position, making sure all clips engage properly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Test the new switch to confirm it operates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.